You like your Peppy? Huh?
Neller spoke to reporters on the matter Friday, stating he was still in negotiations with the Justice Department over his hearing. The chairman also says he expects Mueller to appear before the panel eventually. Neller planned for Mueller to testify on May 15th, and it is unknown
Does it make your mouth water?
to an agreement with the DOJ.
Yeah.
He then threatened to subpoena
What is that?
counsel if he has to. The congressional subpoena has been thrown around by several House committees following the White House's blanket refusal to cooperate with Democrat probes. California Congressman Ted Lieu says the committee may take more extreme measures against individuals who do not comply with subpoenas.
If the Trump administration is going to completely deny every single congressional subpoena,
Look at you.
every option has to be on the
Oh,
table.
you're such a mean dog. And now.